Hi everyone, I'm Steve Mandy, owner of Attack of the Baseball Cards in Union, New Jersey, and it's Saturday, October 29th, 2011. Amazingly a snowy day in Union, New Jersey, and it's time for our box break. Today's box break is Topps Chrome Football 2011. Topps Chrome Football just came out this past week. It has lots of current players, rookies, and an autograph in every box. And remember, in order to be in our box breaks, all you have to do is give us a call at area code 908-687-8107. We announce each week by Wednesday or Thursday what our box break will be. Or you could look it up on Facebook at Attack of the Baseball Cards or on Twitter at Baseball Blog. If you give us a call, you could pay for your share over the phone using a credit card. Or you could stop into our store if you're in the area. You're welcome to be here. We do have a number of people here for today's box break. If you're out of the area, we can pick your share for you. For your share, you get to randomly select teams from our special baseball. And as I said, if you're out of the area, we'll do it for you. And then you get all the cards of all the players on your teams, including autographs and or memorabilia cards. And the person with the least number of cards also wins a prize. And today we have a special prize from the National Football League that we'll be giving away. Before we started, all our customers that are here selected all their teams, and we did have a number of people that weren't here. We did it for them, so let's start breaking our boxes. And we're doing multiple boxes of 2011 Topps Chrome Football. And as you know, there are a lot of really hot rookies right now in the National Football League. So we'll have a chance for those cards. We'll show you as many as we can and do this as quickly as we can. Here's a Matt Ryan card. Atlanta quarterback. 4 cards per pack. This is the hobby product. And here's a Bradshaw refractor. Giants running back. Marcel Darius, rookie card. Buffalo Bills defensive tackle, having a great rookie season. And a Randall Cobb, finest freshman rookie, Green Bay running back. Here's an A.J. Green rookie, Cincinnati Bengals tight end, wide receiver, having a tremendous rookie season. And a Shane Vereen rookie on-card autograph, New England Patriots. There's our rookie, an on-card rookie autograph. Remember, Attack of the Baseball Cards is open every day. Weekdays we're open from 11:30 till 7:30. Saturdays 10:30 till 6, and Sundays 11 to 5. And we have a refractor of rookie Cam Newton, the hottest rookie in football. Cam Newton rookie refractor. Here's a Julio Jones Bowman Chrome preview card. Actually, it's probably a Bowman Chrome card. Last year they didn't come out with Bowman Chrome. They just included it in this product, and I think that's probably what they're doing this year. Here's a Kyle Rudolph. It's a Minnesota Vikings rookie card. And he's playing really well. Rudolph now with Christian Ponder throwing to him. Here's a Blaine Gabbert rookie card, new young rookie quarterback for Jacksonville. And a Joe Flacco refractor. Try and speed it up so we can get both boxes in. Vincent Brown, rookie refractor, San Diego Chargers, rookie. And a Quentin Carter, rookie, Denver Broncos, safety. Here's a Jordan Todman, rookie recognition card, San Diego Chargers, running back. About halfway through the first box. Marco Murray rookie card. Had a tremendous week last week for Dallas. 253 yards rushing. And here's a Julius Peppers All-Pro Blue Border refractor. Chicago Bears, and it's numbered out of 199. Austin Pettis rookie, St. Louis. And a Ray Rice refractor. Local product of Rutgers. Running back for the Baltimore Ravens. Remember, Attack of the Baseball Cards does do football fantasy in our store. Here's an Edmund Gates rookie freshman, finest freshman card. Miami Dolphins. You stop into our store and make a purchase of some packs. We do football fantasy. You get a football fantasy sheet to fill out. Chance to pick your favorite players and win some prizes. Taiwan Jones rookie card, Oakland Raiders rookie, and that's a refractor. And a Raheem Moore black border refractor, safety for Denver, numbered out of 299. Here's a Ryan Mallett Bowman Chrome card, rookie. And the last few packs for this first box. And another Cam Newton rookie. It's our second one. Attack of the Baseball Cards does have boxes and packs of this product in stock. Here's a freshman finest, Kyle Rudolph. We're also one of the participating stores in the NFL Player of the Day contest. Here's a Ron Gronkowski Superfractor or Atomic Refractor, New England Patriots second-year tight end. That card is numbered out of 139. And a Des Bryant card. And the last couple packs, and then we are going to try and put a second video on. Unfortunately, we had trouble putting our last second video on, but we will try it again. Here's a Julius Thomas tight end rookie refractor for Denver. And our final pack. It's a Randall Cobb rookie recognition card. Green Bay Packers. And try and check out our second video, which we will be putting on in just a few minutes. It'll have our second box. And remember, Attack of the Baseball Cards does box breaks every Saturday at the store. The whole nation's talking about Attack of the Baseball Cards.